you understand by remarketing? In simple language, remarketing means, so here you can see you are finding that term relatable, and you are just giving the meaning that you can understand. But the actual meaning of remarketing is targeting a person who's already interacted with your ad or with your website, with your content. जो आपको देख चुका है, आप उसको टारगेट कर रहे हो. Simple example is, you go on Amazon, you search for a product, and you didn't buy. Okay. So what will happen? Amazon will start showing ad to you because they have your data in the system, and on that basis they understand that you have visited that particular product on their website. So now what they will do, they understand that you are interested in that kind of product, maybe you buy. So that's why they target you with that particular ad, is known as remarketing. Okay. So in simple language, when someone's already interacted with the website, the advertisement, or with the product, and didn't make the sale, didn't make the conversion, then targeting that person, that visitor, is known as remarketing. Got it? So remarketing is a set of tactics used by Google AdWords and Facebook ad to show customized ad to user who have previously visited or taken a specific action on the website. Okay, you go on a website but didn't take the action, desired action that the advertiser want, then definitely they will retargeted you. Okay, so you must have participated in marketing strategy. Okay, simple example. So the goal of remarketing is to show you message that matches your interest and need as revealed by your internet search behavior, with the goal of increasing conversion opportunity. If you have searched for a particular product, and the best example is again Amazon. If you find that you want to buy new shoes, okay, so you go on Amazon, search multiple shoes. Okay. Now, as per your online behavior, Amazon understand that you are there to see shoes. Now, what will happen? They will target you with the different kinds of shoes using display ad or any kind of ad. Retargeting campaigns operate via Google Display Network. This display network is made up of over 2 million website and mobile application, including all Google apps, okay, and as Gmail and YouTube. So, for example, after this kind of behavior, after interacting with the website, you just go on another website for a news, reading news. Then definitely what will happen? You can see the ad of that product on that website, and you will be surprised why this particular ad is showing me here, because Google see this. And the simple example is Bummer. For giving you an example, I just opened the website of Bummer multiple times. Okay, then when I was using my laptop, I was just doing other things. I was be able to see the advertisement of Bummer, because their data says I was there. I just scrolled down but didn't take any action. Okay, so here says Google claimed that its display network reached 90% of internet users. However, for a larger, better scope, expert recommend using combined strategy of AdWords plus Facebook ad for a marketing campaign, which works similarly. So definitely, if you are working for a big marketing campaign, Facebook ad would also be added on your strategies to target, to remarket your product to the visitor. So what is the advantage of remarketing? It's very simple. It is easier to sell something. It is easier to sell a product to someone who is already interested on that. Okay, so remarketing has a return of investment of more than 130%. Why? Because most of the time people search for a particular service or product, and you target them. If you target appropriately with right kind of copy, then definitely you will get a conversion. Okay, so and another example for this is you go for an online course and you search multiple course, and then you start getting ads of that particular course. If that shows the right copy, then you can go for the conversion. Segmentation, you can just segment the audience. Ads from remarketing campaign are only shown to qualified prospect who have already expressed an interest in the product. Okay, customization, you can just display ad, you can just go for different ads, and for remarketing campaigns you can just create a ad copy that totally target and totally is specific for remarketing purpose. So ad display to user match exactly what they have previously searched for on the internet. They do not result in invasiveness. Conversion, it is estimated that nearly half of the internet user visit up to 4 different websites before making a purchase decision. Definitely, the overall data says that, but not 4 websites, but many people search for different product before buying. They want review, they want to understand what are their different kind of products, different brands available to buy. So where we go? We go on Google, we go on different website. And in addition to everything else mentioned, remarketing campaigns have the advantage of redirecting traffic to your site, which can be very beneficial to your website SEO. Like someone visited your website, and again, by displaying your ad, you can just get their view again. Okay, how do remarketing campaigns work? Remarketing campaign entails creating a set of customized ad for a specific listen, because you already know that you are targeting people who already search for your website, your service. So these ads are just as customizable as the rest of your AdWords or Facebook ad campaigns, and they can be tailored to displaying the same product that the user expresses interest. So I give you an example that Amazon have different kind of product, but you have seen for you are looking for shoes. So now they will target you with just shoes, not with other things, because they are using the customizable feature. They just customize the ad with shoes and targeting you, displaying a comparable product. Okay, and showing a new line product to a user who has already purchased something, and that is retargeting. When we retarget, we simply just target the user again to buy our another product. Displaying pop-up sales promotions to entice user to make purchase they were already considering. That means if you are in Amazon, and you are looking for shoes but didn't buy, when you again showing a pop-up display ad or any other ad, then definitely they can consider, because they have already see you entire description of that product on your platform. So, from an animation perspective, you can here see the person comes to your website, then they are getting targeted by ads on display ads like this. Okay, here they just visited the website, and when they are surfing other website, they will see ad, they click on that, and ultimately buy. Yeah. And how you can do this on Google ad? First, for remarketing purpose, you have to just add the source. Like Google ad don't have the entire data, you have to integrate other data sources. So in audiences, you can just go with your data sources, and here are different sources that you can integrate, through which you can understand, and you can go for remarketing. And you can remarketing using YouTube as well. When someone watches a particular video or particular channel, and you have linked Google ad with YouTube, you will get the data, and on that basis you can target them. And same goes for Google ad tags. And Google ad tag is simply, there are different code available, and using that you can use for tracking purpose, okay, in your website. You can also connect your Google Analytics and GA4, Google Play Store for when you're promoting an application, and app analytics as well when you want to just target app specific purpose. And Ad Data Hub as well. Ad Data Hub is mostly used by developers because there are so many things as customizable analytics available on that. So a developer easily understand these things. And Zapier also. Zapier is an automation tool, and if you integrate these sources, so using this data, you can remarket that person. Okay, because these platform are there where you can track that particular user. For example, if you want that someone who is watching your this video, particular video, and you want to target them, so using YouTube, you can get their data and just integrate with the Google Analytics, and then you can target them.